How to enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Head towards the option of profile. With that you will land to your profile. At the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Different options will pop up. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now over here you will find different sections. Under content and display section you can find the option of content preferences. Open that option. Now here you will see this option restricted mode. Open that option. In order to enable it, tap on this option of turn on. Now you have to set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. After you type in that, tap on next. Now you have to confirm your passcode over here and then tap on set. With that, you have enabled restricted mode in your TikTok. Likewise, to disable it, you can tap on this option of turn off. Now enter your passcode. Tap on next. With that, you have disabled restricted mode in your TikTok account. So this is how you can enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.